Hi, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can find the new AI playbook that has been added to your Connect. It is chock full of great information. So let me show you how easy it is to find this. Once you log into Command, you come up here to Connect on the top left, browse all, and in the search bar, go ahead and put in Playbook and let it search. Click Playbooks right here. And the very first one that comes up right here is the new AI playbook for large language models. Excuse me. Make sure to go ahead and add your bookmark for this. The three dots beside it will also allow you to download it onto your device if you would like to, or copy a link to share. Or you can just click the tile right here and it will allow you to go ahead and start reading this on your device. I do want to show you just a couple of quick things here. It lets you know that AI isn't coming for your job, it's coming for your busy work, and you'd be crazy not to let it. And also, you can go through the different models here to see what it's actually going to help you with. So, lead generation, personalizing your AI assistant as well, and perfecting your prompts, and then putting them into action in your business. So, lots of great goodies here. This is a product of Mega Camp this year for 2025. Make sure to get in here and dive right in. If you have any questions at all, please let us know. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.